Hey, do you guys want to know what the Pontianak is? In Malaysia, Singapore and Brunei, it's considered the stillborn child of Langswir, a female ghost. It usually appears as a beautiful woman but can reveal an ugly form when needed. Often depicted in white with long hair, the Pontianak lures men to incite fear and take revenge. Signs of her presence include the sound of a crying infant, the smell of decay, or the scent of plumeria flowers. They say every Malay will encounter her at least once in their lifetime. Sharing this gives me the creeps, especially since I saw one when I was a kid. In Indonesia, she's known as kuntilanak. But this guy here is just a fake Pontianak, chasing unsuspecting tourists to scare them. But not to worry, he will do no harm. If you want to take pictures with him, don't forget to make a donation afterward. Yeah, he's a man actually. My wife wants to ride the Sungai Malacca boat, but unfortunately, we don't have time because the queue is so long and we should return home ASAP to avoid Saturday night traffic jam.